Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul, and I know I haven't done a video actually, like a real video. I just did that one about the North Shore, which I thought was really pretty, but I haven't done any Dollar Tree hauls or any DIYs, and I am so sorry about that. Life just got kind of crazy, and I just been dealing with some things, mainly mental and emotional stuff. Really don't want to get into it right now. Right now I just want to do the Dollar Tree haul. If you want to hear about what has been going on, please leave a comment in the below and I can make another video about that. Right now it's just way too long because I have a ton of stuff from the Dollar Tree. I have not been to the Dollar Tree in a long time. And I got a whole bunch of stuff, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm not sure why this is happening, but for some reason my subscriber count went up like in a very short time, and I'm not sure why that is. I haven't done a video in quite some time, so unless somebody mentioned to me, and I don't know who you are, but if that is what happened, I want to thank you so much. Please comment below if it is you. If that's not the case, then I don't know, thanks YouTube. But here, let's get into the video. It is like super hot in my car. Let me see what the temperature says outside. 80 degrees out right now, so hopefully I can do this without too much distractions, otherwise I will turn the air on. We went to two different Dollar Trees, and these are going to be in absolutely no particular order whatsoever, because I just even haven't had a chance to even look to see what I actually got. And a lot of this, not a lot, I shouldn't say, but some of this is going to be for a DIY that I plan on doing. Hopefully this weekend I'd like to get it out by Sunday, if time lets me. Otherwise, it will be during the week sometime. But let's just get into the haul. Okay, so I spent like $32 at this Dollar Tree. And then another 10 something at the other Dollar Tree. Just for you guys. Again, in no particular order whatsoever, we have bag number 1. They have these there again. This will be for a DIY. A lot of these are repeats. They had these last year, but I'm just going to show you some of the things that will be in my DIY right now. And this is so pretty. Look at that. And you get a 9-foot roll. Here's just some basic envelopes. You get 40, but they are the secure ones. I have the smaller ones, but I can't fit shit in those, sorry, but yeah. And they have some new masks there, and it's the 3 for, so you get 3 of them in one, sorry. You get the Calm, the Detox, and the Vitamin C Glow Boost in that one. And it's a 3-step process. And they also had this one. Again, a 3-step process. Now, I got these suction cups, and I got these for a reason. I know for a fact they are not going to suction onto anything. So, what I plan on doing is just gluing these on to my wall so that I can hang a curtain across my door. If that makes any sense whatsoever. Some more lights in the color, I hope these are white. Yes, in the color white. Again, for my DIY. And a party book. Party recipes for the crock pot. It had some pretty good recipes in there, it looked like. I'm doing them, obviously, in my car, so I can't really see what I'm doing here. Alright, anyways, If I have time, I'll do a flip through of this book at the end. And then these two things for the DIY. And I'll show you what I plan on doing with those. This is something brand new. I have not seen these. But look, they're pumpkin wreaths. But if you get two, can you just imagine how cute that's going to be? I cannot wait to do that and show you guys what I'm going to make with that. Look how freaking cute this sign is. It's for the yard. But this is going on to my DIY. Every season, I do believe the Dollar Tree does get new washies. And there's one of them. There's that one. And the last one. This next thing is something I've never seen there before, and it is a name brand, but it is Secret Body Cleansing Wipes. You get 15 of them in here, and it's kind of like on the go. Get wipes, just put them underneath your arms there for an on the go fresh. And it is good apparently for all over the body. There's the back of it. And there's that side. And the back. Got to show that to you. Anyways, you get 15 of them in here. So I picked up 2. So for 30, that's not bad. Okay, so I already know you guys are going to think I'm crazy, because I already bought a bunch of these in another video, and I did a review on them, and I will link that video below. I just can't resist myself though. They have these Rapid brands, and I got the Rapid Mat Cooker. You can cook a box of macaroni and cheese in your microwave for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, sorry. Versus 20 minutes in your stove. Those are all the things that you can make in it. And it says over 1 million sold. So we got that. Oh, I didn't stop there. No. Another Rapid brand. And it is the world's fastest and easiest way to cook vegetables. Rapid Veggie Steamer. You can use it for the home, the dorm, the office. There's the back of it. Sorry, my steering wheel's in the way. And here's all the other ones. I got the oatmeal one, and the brownie one, and I think the egg one last time. This one I could not resist. I mean, come on. The Rapid Pizza Reheater. I think they had an on TV brand of, as seen on TV brand of this. That failed, and I know they were way more than $1, but we shall see. I will try all of these for you in a whole nother video, so that will give me another video to make. Well, actually, I'm not going to do that until I actually got some more Betty Crocker. I only get these when they come in the 3-pack. Okay, then I got these stickers, and I thought these were super cute. Super cute, especially if you do planners. But it is of the color yourself. That one for birthday. Birds. Butterflies. And at another Dollar Tree, they did have flowers. They just didn't have that one at this first Dollar Tree that I went to. And we got a couple of bathrobes. That one. And that one. I thought that one was cute. Of course, the minute I park here, people have to come. So I'm just going to wait for them to leave. So my next bag is food. And this is the first time I've actually seen this at the Dollar Tree, is the 1-pan no strainer for $1. And then we have the Buttermilk Pancakes. This is actually a repurchase. They're actually pretty good. If you put some syrup on top of those, oh yeah. And this again is a repurchase for my noodles, the jalapeno and the regular. And I always like to add my picante sauce in there. And there's a receipt for that one, just in case. Just in case anybody cared. Okay, so I thought this was super cute. It's a plaque that you just stand up, and it's a laundry guide. You know, so for all the tags that you have on your clothes and don't know what it means, refer back to this. And I have a feeling this could be some kind of DIY. I haven't figured that out yet, but I think it'd be kind of cool. And then we have 100 sheets of these. 100 sheets, which is pretty good for $1. Because you can just do more than just put your hamburger patties on there. You know, good for chocolate, cold cut, sliced cheese, caramel, taffy, whatever. Non-stick, easy separation of burger patties. Yeah, not a bad deal. I didn't think anyways. Now, Bolero has a couple more different products out. Sorry, I keep looking. They're gone now, so I'm done looking. And they're for facials. I mean, everything else that I saw I had for the body, but this is strictly for the face, I guess. Got the cucumber facial mist, which I'm hoping is going to feel refreshing. Before drying off from your bath or shower, spray on mist. Use all over to refresh and moisturize and fragrance your skin. Okay, so that's the facial mist. There's also a facial oil. Massage 3 to 4 drops of this facial oil into the cleansed, moist skin on the face, morning or night. Suitable for all skin types. All types of skin, actually, is what it says. Just remember that this is not food, so do not eat. There's a warning on there that says just that. And for all those masks that I got, I have a ton of masks at home. But I never seen a sponge made specially for masks. A mask remover. To use, you just rinse under warm water and wipe off your favorite facial mask. Rinse and air dry after each use. Caution, keep out of reach of children for external use only. This is a Greenbrier product, so all the stores should be getting them. Well guys, that is it. Thank you so much for sticking around this long to see my Dollar Tree haul. Hopefully there are more in the future. There is for sure a DIY and maybe a couple other videos that I might have planned out. I'm actually having time now to sit down and kind of plan everything out. I did, to help me with that, go to Michael's as well, and I got a social media planner. So hopefully this will help. So anyways, if you did make it through and you are not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Hit the like button if you do like this, and comment below if you want to know what's been going on with me in my personal life. I will definitely, sorry, I'll let you know about that. Otherwise, yeah, this is it. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.